let's begin with a course on artificial intelligence and machine learning, or AI and ML. And we also have a coverage on deep learning. By the way, AI and ML are only the words which are famously used in the industry. It means artificial intelligence, which includes AI, ML, and DL. So this course shall cover what is AI ML, industry needs of AI ML in comparison to a human life cycle, preconditions of using AI and ML, benefits of using AI ML, various industry case studies and examples, experience sharing from multiple industries, basic academic view from technology perspective. So within these sections, we will cover two specific things. What is AI, ML and DL? And what has been the progress of this technology for last 70 odd years? So friends, let's begin our course in detail. As you know, we human beings have taught computers to generate artificial intelligence. Well, this is like when your parents taught you the meaning of apple, flower, or a puppy when you were a kid. Do you remember when your mother or father said that apple is sweet, it helps to make you healthy? Do you remember when your father or mother told you that flower has a good smell and it keeps our surrounding pleasant? And that our favorite puppy is a dog which barks, but as a pet, it loves us very much. The way your parents have taught you as a small kid, human being teaches machine. And that machine learning is developed into the science of artificial intelligence. Let me give you another example. And this example shall help you to understand the progress of artificial intelligence. An American technology company called IBM planned to play a game of computers with a chess grandmaster. IBM did extensive research for this, but while doing it, they selected a grandmaster, Garry Kasparov, and they did this research for 8 odd years. And these 8 years were spent in researching and teaching various strategies and patterns of a chess player who has an highest IQ. So IBM's Deep Blue was using artificial intelligence, which guides every rules and pattern and a strategy to a computer. In spite of all this, in 1996, chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov beat IBM's Deep Blue machine in a game of chess. Isn't that awful? But immediately next year in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue could beat Garry Kasparov. And why did IBM win over the grandmaster after 1 year? Simply because IBM learned the tricks and the trades, or tricks of the trade of Garry Kasparov. And they finally taught everything to the machine. This is the traditional way in which machine can be taught of the rule books, strategy, tricks, patterns, permutations, combination, everything. And that gives an immense power to create an artificial intelligence in the normal computer. Friends, whatever we have learned by now is a simplistic definition of artificial intelligence. And this can be called as a first generation artificial intelligence or traditional AI, where everything is taught to the computers. So from this perspective, or from this traditional artificial intelligence, we now move to the next level called as machine learning. And we shall be continuing this machine learning in the next video.